Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set lock screen shortcuts on Google Pixel phone. Shortcuts on the lock screen can be used to quickly access phone features. For example, turning on the flashlight or running the camera when your phone screen is locked. Here are some simple steps to set lock screen shortcut on Google Pixel phone. Firstly, go to the settings. And then scroll down. Tap Display and Touch. Tap Lock Screen. Tap Shortcuts. Now, choose what button you want to set on the left shortcut. For example, I will choose Flashlight. Then on the right shortcut, you can choose other icons. When your phone is locked, here will be two icons or shortcuts. On the left is a flashlight and on the right is a camera. So you can run the flashlight or camera quickly when your phone is locked. That's the tutorial on how to set lock screen shortcut on Google Pixel phone. I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video. Thank you.